Want to keep your Vimeo video under wraps? It's easy. Vimeo offers several privacy options to control who sees your content. To make a video private, first log into your Vimeo account and navigate to the video you wish to make private. Click the gear icon next to the video to access its settings. In the Settings menu, find the Privacy section. Here you'll see options like Public, Private, and Password Protected. Select Private to hide the video from public view. Only you and people with the direct video link will be able to watch it. Private videos won't appear in Vimeo searches or on your public profile. You can then share this private link via email or direct message. Remember that embedding a private video on external sites might not work unless you're using Vimeo OTT or other approved integrations. It's a simple way to ensure your content is only seen by those you choose. Take your Vimeo privacy a step further with link sharing and password protection. When a video is set to private, Vimeo generates a unique, shareable link. Share this link directly with individuals you want to grant access to, as it won't be discoverable otherwise. For an added layer of security, consider password protection. In the video's privacy settings, choose Password Protected and create a secure password. Now, anyone with the video link will also need the password to view it. You can change or update the password anytime, making it useful for temporary access or different audience groups. To recap, navigate to Video Settings, select Password Protected, enter your desired password, and save. Test the settings in an incognito browser to ensure it works as expected. These features give you robust control over your Vimeo content's visibility, keeping it secure and accessible only to your intended viewers.